This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Callis-Lett. 3-bedroom 2.5 bath located within quaint cul-de-sac. Fenced-in backyard with large deck and an enclosed area with a 6-person hot tub. Updates include LVT downstairs and new carpet upstairs in 2017, condenser unit replaced in 2017, new water heater and smart thermostat, new dishwasher and garbage disposal, newly insulated. Hop on the interstate just minutes from neighborhood. Close to FD. Eustis. This one won't last long. For more information, review the details below.